Now we're coming to another layout. This is oh yeah, you can have those that makes sense. Pretty good, isn't it?
Absolutely, right.
Yeah. I'm only here just for today. Even though people speak Scottish, but some people do speak English, don't they?
You get all your filming done now because in about another hour they'll all be rolling in all the kids. You know?
Yeah, no. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now, so I can get it out of the way. Hey, hello lads. What's this layout called anyway?
Sorry?
What's this railway layout called anyway?
Clement Junction.
What?
Clement Gardens, sorry.
What?
Clement Gardens. That's the name of the layout.
Clement Gardens.
Oh, is it? Well, I don't see no name of it.
I thought there would have been a name, but there's no.
Should be names. That's a real.
I've got a book of it, so I can find out what it's called when I get home. And you got a Scotwell Class 156 coming up soon. But it's good to see that, isn't it?
Yep, aye.
I'm only here till 2 this afternoon, so by 1 o'clock I'll get myself maybe buy some course souvenirs from that thing over there.
Alright, yep. As long as you enjoy the show and enjoy your time.
Yeah, I was first Scotwell. It's one of those units. Used to be first Scotwell, didn't it? Before the franchise gone away, wasn't it?
Yep, aye.
Why the franchise had to go away? So it's now called Scotwell. What happened to first then? Was it just a? Was there just?
The franchise was up and it was awarded to a different company. It was Abellio that got it.
Oh, right.
And the new franchise expired.
Oh, I see.
Come under Transport for Scotland, so it's nationalised. They nationalised what it was.
And the new chief, just Scotwell now, is it?
Yep, just pure ScotRail. It's run by the Scottish Government under Transport for Scotland umbrella.
Is it more better now when it's Scotwell now, is it?
I have no idea.
Depends on the future, isn't it? Because Class 66s, 67s used to take the West Highland line at one point, didn't they?
Yes, the sleepers.
Yeah.
But the sleepers they're still under Transport for Scotland. It's a Caledonian sleeper.
Yeah, but it's running very late today.
But it's run by GBRF, run supply the locals and crews to operate it.
Yeah.
Although the 73s and the 92s are in Cali Sleeper livery.
Yeah.
They're owned by GB Rail Freight.
Yeah. Oh, one's been cancelled because of a train fault. Look at that. Looks like it's got a bit of a journey ahead today, isn't it?
It's got a sleeper.
Look at that. Very late now for the late running sleeper.
Yeah.
Very late. Oh, that's going to be big refunds for that. Oh, there it is.
Forgot to pick them up. Show them.
Clement Gardens Layout.
That's why you forget to put it on, isn't it? I know I know I'm glad I'm here then, isn't it?
Glad you asked. Might have went all weekend with no name. The railway with no name.
Oh, the same unit again. Came earlier, didn't it? Well, very annoying for the sleeper, but especially when it was running late, wasn't it? Got it. Got the name of the place. Nice work, mate.